Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something truly unique. We're diving into the review of the 2026 electric three-wheel RV camping tricycle. The kind of vehicle that blurs the line between micro-home, adventure mobile, and sustainable travel pod. Let's start with the first impressions. From the moment you see this vehicle rolling up, its compact three-wheel layout gives it a completely different presence compared to typical vans or trailers. It stands out not just for the shape, but for the concept. An ultra-light, ultra-mobile camper built around electric power and smart space-saving design. Inside, you'll find the layout is clever. Convertible bed, fold-out kitchenette, modular storage, and integrated tech make it clear this isn't a traditional RV scaled down. It's a rethinking of what a mobile home can be. Alongside that, there are solar panels and other off-grid features built in, signaling that this is aimed at freedom seekers rather than strictly road trip traditionalists. Performance-wise, the electric powertrain brings in a number of advantages. Silent running, lower maintenance than internal combustion, and the ability to integrate renewable charging. At the same time, the three-wheel design means the dynamics are different. Handling, stability, ride comfort, all present new trade-offs. Because of the smaller size and weight, it's agile in urban and rural settings alike. Parking is easier, maneuvering simpler. Speaking of the interior and features, there are several highlights. The bed turns into seating, storage hides under benches and behind panels, the kitchenette folds out, and the solar roof enables off-grid stays. Smart controls are present, perhaps for climate, lighting, battery monitoring. All this makes it very appealing for solo travelers or couples who value minimalism, mobility, and independence. Let's talk about use cases and target user. If you're a digital nomad, an urban explorer, a weekend escape artist, or someone who values eco-friendly travel and wants a vehicle that doubles as a lifestyle statement, this has big appeal. If you're planning full-time RV living with family, need large storage, heavy equipment, or extended off-grid capability for weeks at a time, you may find the limitations start to add up. Now, in terms of value, the novelty factor is strong. Owning a vehicle that turns heads, starts conversation, and enables different kinds of travel is a big plus. However, novelty can come with trade-offs. Resale value may be uncertain, service network may be smaller, parts may be harder to source, and